Are you tired of your old boring hairstyle and want something messy and with lots of volume and layers? Here's your no BS guide to getting a Wolfcut hairstyle. The Wolfcut is a messy, carefree hairstyle. It usually has short, choppy layers on top and longer layers on the sides, giving it a messy and textured look. This style can be really flattering because the shorter layers balance with the softer parts of your face, and the layers on top help highlight your sharper features. Now the thing is, there is not just one Wolfcut. There are variations to choose from, and the main difference between them comes down to how much layering and volume you want and how long or short you decide to go. One of the most popular versions is the textured Wolfcut. It has short sides with a fade and thick, messy layers on top, giving the hair extra height and volume. The curly Wolfcut is another option, ideal for those with natural curly hair. It also has short sides with longer hair on top, but it highlights natural curls. Then there is the Asian Wolfcut. It often includes a middle part with bangs and can be styled with lighter hair colors or perms for a K-pop inspired look. Next, the short Wolfcut features short, clipped sides with a high fade. The top has jagged layers that add texture and height. My favorite is the layered Wolfcut. It has choppy layers that create movement. The gradual change in length helps the sections blend smoothly, giving an amazing look. The other Wolfcut includes the wavy Wolfcut, middle part Wolfcut, bowl Wolfcut, and buzzed sides Wolfcut. And whatever wolf hairstyle you want to go with, you need styling pomades to get any of these particular looks. And here comes Dax Hair Care, a brand made in the USA for 70 years that specializes in all sorts of styling pomades. I really love their bergamot pomade, which not only helps me style my hair, but also improves the overall condition and appearance of it. So if you have dry hair and want style and moisture, then reach for their #1 seller worldwide, Dax Bergamot Pomade. I also love Dax's Super Light Pomade, which I can use on a daily basis without any problems and with less build-up. But if you are not an oil-based pomade guy or girl to begin with, then try Dax's Hair Gel, a non-sticky water-based formula that can give your hair an all-day firm hold without any flakes. If you are interested, visit their website using the link in the description or in the first comment. They ship free within the USA, but if you don't live there, no worries. You can find them on Amazon. That especially works for my Indian brothers. So, come back to the video. The important question we have to ask is, who can get this hairstyle? The Wolfcut can look amazing on just anyone, but if you've got thick or wavy hair, it will look really great on you. Because layers and volume are very important here, and with thicker hair, you will really nail the effortless look. Now, some of you may be questioning, Ali, what if I have thin or fine hair? Well, don't worry. If your hair is on the thinner side, your barber can still make it work by using square layering. Basically, it adds texture to your hair to give it more body and fullness. Now, if I talk about face shapes, the Wolfcut works especially well for face shapes like oval, heart, triangular, and oblong. These face shapes naturally complement the layered texture look of the Wolfcut, enhancing features and adding balance. So, let's talk about the journey you will take to get the perfect Wolfcut. You can't wake up one day and decide you want a Wolfcut without putting in a little work beforehand. This style requires some decent length to get started, especially if you are aiming for the longer or classic versions. Let's assume that you currently have medium length hair around chin length, but you need to grow it out a bit to really pull off the look. Shoulder length or a bit longer is ideal for a Wolfcut. Let's say you need to grow it out for at least another 3 inches. On average, hair grows about ½ an inch per month, so if you want to add 3 inches, you're looking at about 5 to 6 months of growing your hair. At the start of your journey, you will want to focus on caring for your hair to promote healthy growth. For this, you have to invest in good quality shampoos like biotin infused shampoo or caffeine shampoo. But shampoo only twice or thrice weekly. Using one of these shampoos along with a good conditioner can help improve the health of your hair as it grows longer. Also, regular trims are important to avoid split ends, even when you're growing your hair. I recommend going to your barber after every 3 to 4 4 weeks. Let's say you start working on getting a Wolfcut hairstyle today. After 3 to 4 weeks, go to your barber and the journey will look like this. First visit. When you sit down in the chair, tell your barber you're in the middle of growing your hair for a wolf cut and you want a little trim to tidy up and remove some split ends. You need them to keep the length on top, but maybe clean up the sides a little so they don't get too bulky. During these early stages, it is important to keep things trimmed and tidy without taking off too much length so it doesn't look like you're just letting it grow out without a plan. Second and third visit. By the second or third visit, your hair will have grown a noticeable amount, and it is really important to start thinking about the shape. Even though you don't have the length for the full wolf cut yet, you can still start layering. A few layers here and there will help you shape your hair and avoid that awkward middle stage where your hair doesn't seem to have a purpose. When you go to your barber this time, ask them to start cutting in some light layers around the crown and face. This will create the base for the wolf cut later on. At this stage, avoid heat styling as much as possible. You can also use hair oils or serums to keep your hair hydrated and strong during growth. Fourth visit. By the 4th month, your hair is probably nearing shoulder length. This is where you can start to see the vision coming together. The layers from the previous cuts have created a nice shape, and now it is time to focus on adding texture. When you visit your barber this month, ask them to create more heavy layers, especially around the crown. You'll want to tell them to keep the length at the back, but really focus on adding volume and movement to the top and sides. The perfect wolf cut is all about creating that wild texture look. The wolf cut pairs well with some sort of bangs, whether it is choppy, curtain bangs, or wispy bangs. If you haven't already, now is the time to add them to your look. They'll frame your face and complete the cut. 5th and 6th visit. By the 5th or 6th month, your hair should have reached the ideal length for your wolf cut. You will want to get the full wolf cut during your final visit to the barber. Tell your barber you want lots of layers, especially at the crown with more length at the back. You can ask your barber to focus on point cutting. This technique creates uneven, natural-looking movement in the layers, which is exactly what you want for a wolf cut. Point cutting will make your hair look less structured and more free-flowing, which is very important for this style. Your barber may also use a feather razor to soften the overall finish, giving the layers a more natural, wispy look rather than harsh, blunt edges. After the final cut, it is time to style it. When styling your wolf cut, less is more. The whole idea behind this hairstyle is that it looks effortless, so you don't need to spend hours styling it. So, start by applying a texturizing spray or mousse to damp hair to enhance volume and texture. Let your hair air dry for the most natural result, or use a blow dryer with a diffuser on a low heat setting to dry your hair, scrunching it lightly to create natural waves. You can also blow dry your hair upside down to add extra volume at the roots, giving the style even more dimension. Once your hair is dry, to add extra texture, use a light pomade or wax to separate some pieces. Finish off with a flexible hold hairspray to keep your style in place while still feeling soft. After all the time and effort you have put into growing your hair and shaping it into the wolf cut, you will want to make sure it stays looking fresh. As I've talked before, this hairstyle took 6 months to get. You can work on building a V-shaped body side by side. For this, watch this video where I have shared a complete roadmap of building V-shaped body in 6 months.